Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the Xiaomi Beard Trimmer 2. So this is the third version. So there was one, then there was 1C, and then there was this 2. So there are a lot of things which I liked in the 1 and which were improved in the 2, and then this is the third version which they've actually taken all the feedbacks from both the previous ones and then made a better product. So we'll be comparing it. I got all the trimmers, so I'll be comparing it with both the trimmers. I'll be showing you what the difference is, and then we'll be talking about whether it's actually worth the price. It's 1,799. The other trimmers are like 1,299 and 899 rupees. So should you actually buy them or this? We'll be talking about that in this video. So let's open this up first and then talk more about it. So that's what you get in the box. So you get the trimmer itself, one extra head which is the longer one. This is the shorter one which is over here. This is a Type-C cable which is 1 meter long, and a brush to clean the hair and stuff from the trimmer. You get a carrying pouch which has now Xiaomi written on it instead of MI. So this is the newer series. So let's move all this. Let's take a look at everything. So this is the cover. So I already own the regular one, the MI's trimmer 1, and then the second one, the 1C. So all of them come with similar kind of covers. So everything is the same, just that some features and some buttons and some things have been changed. So we'll be talking about that. So this is the cover. It's made of cloth, nylon, and it is actually quite good. It doesn't really go bad that easily. It's not waterproof, so it doesn't matter because this is waterproof. So even if this gets wet, no problem. Let's keep this aside. The Type-C cable is also good. Nothing much to see here, but it's Type-C now instead of micro USB in 1C and a proprietary cable in the first one. So the first one, if the cable goes bad, it's done. You cannot do anything with it. You cannot even get a replacement cable. This one is a Type-C, so you can charge it with any phone charger, any cable, so no issues. Let's keep this aside. Brush is a brush. This is the longer one, so you get two heads. Let me just remove this. So this is the shorter one. So this one is for this goes till 10. You have a 0.5 in between. So in 10 itself you get 20 settings. So 1, 1.5, so it starts from 0, 0, 1, 1.5, 2, so on. So in this you get 20 settings, and then when you put this you get 20 settings. So in total you get 40 settings to cut your hair. Now let's move this. So let's take a look at this. So this is the knob which you actually turn and then set the length setting here. Okay, so you turn this and it goes up, and this is the button you switch you press to switch this on. You have the display here. The battery percentage is over here. Now if you long press it, it gets travel locked. So now no matter how many times I press this, the trimmer will not get on when it's in your bag. So accidentally switching on the trimmer is a problem with a lot of other trimmers. With this, that won't happen. Now if I want to get it back to normal mode, I have to keep it pressed and it's back on. Now over here you have the charging port which is sealed, which has a flap over it, which actually makes this waterproof. Now I can open this up, and that's my Type-C charging port. So that's how it is. Now there are a few differences. I'll be just showing you the difference for now. We'll be talking in detail in my comparison video with all the other trimmers. So this is a stainless steel one. Again, the second one they had made a change. The 1C was not completely stainless steel. The one was stainless steel, but anyways, let's see how it is. So this is how it is. Now if I don't show you the other ones, you will not really know the difference. So there are actually a lot of difference that the new one has. It is an improvement over both of them. So let me just show you that. Now since you've seen everything, this is the motor, and this one can be completely submerged in the water and you can wash it. Let me just show you the difference. Let me just put this here, move all this aside. Okay, so this is the Mi Trimmer 1, this is the 2, and this is the Mi Trimmer 1C. So with the 1C and 1, it was almost similar. The battery percentage and everything was here like that. It was not digital. You had similar knobs, but there was a major change, which is this. So with the one, this was the problem. There was a lot of hair getting stuck over here and you could not clean it properly. You had to, while you're trimming, you had to go on, take this out, clean it, and then put it back, and so on. So with this one, they made it a straight design where the hair does not get stuck over here and it's much easier to clean. Now with the second one, they did not have an extra comb. As you see, it is just one piece, and this was not waterproof. What they improved in this was that this became a micro USB charging port instead of a proprietary one. Like this one was the first one. So this, if it goes bad or you lose this, then you're done. You cannot charge this. This is not, you won't get this cable in the market. So this was an improvement, but they removed waterproofness. Now with the new one, they brought all the features from here. So this was waterproof. This had 2 heads. That has come over here. It's waterproof, 2 heads, and the charging port, which was an improvement, that has been put over here, but with an upgrade. Now this is a type C. So excellent upgrade, excellent option. If I look at both of them, there are more differences. We'll be talking about that in our comparison video, because this video will get too long. So that's it. That's all that I want to talk about. There are a lot of things that I want to say, but I cannot say in this video. I'll be putting that in my next video, in my testing video and my comparison video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.